Hey guys, Business here at Sons of Vlogs and welcome your faces to another unboxing. Be sure to sit back, guys, start gadget, give you most importantly, have fun because this one is courtesy of work. As much as I'd love to say it's from a company or someone else, one of you guys, it's not. It's from work to make my life a bit easier, more comfortable with a wireless headset. That's right. We're unboxing the Poly Voyager 2, or Focus 2 should I say. It retails for around £200 British sterling on Amazon, link down below, alongside obviously all my dedicated social medias and SimsonPlays and SimsonPlays.com. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe below and hit that bell to keep up to date everything on the channel. Right then, shall we get into it? Let's see what this is all about and I'm going to see if it's a good headset or not. It's a on the ear headset, not an over the ear headset, so it's going to be a bit of a change. I don't normally like on the ear ones. We will see if this is comfortable. Let's do it. Alright then, let's see what's inside this box then. So this is the box it comes in when you order it for business. It's not necessarily the box you'll get if you order it from Amazon. I know there's two different types of boxes you can get. Sometimes you do get this one, sometimes you don't. But this is what you get when you first come inside. So this is the little thing. I think there's a QR code on it, so I'm not going to show that. This is obviously the instructions. We throw it to the side. Right then, first thing you notice is you get this stand then. It's one of them stands where you put only one earphone on it. I'll try and get it out with one hand. It's quite difficult. Oh, it comes with the wire attached to it. Okay. So this is the stand then. Basically one of the headphones, earphones, whichever one you want to call it, sits on there and you can see that's where it charges as it sits. It's USB-C, so that's good. It comes with, what is this? Some sort of is this some sort of adapter to make it a different type of connection? What adapter is it? Oh no, I think this is a receiver. Oh, yeah, it comes with a receiver? Oh, I don't like that. Okay. Well, beggars can't be choosers. Right, so this is the headphones then. It's supposed to be having noise cancelling and another colleague of mine at work got one as well, same time as me. And he was using it today and he works more in the office than I do. So I was kind of wondering what noise cancellation was like and I couldn't hear any voices in the background. So maybe noise cancelling is good. So I like that. It's got the little microphone there, very short, professional. It's got the double tiered cushion, so comfort and fitting, so it should be all right. We'll put it on my head eventually in a second anyway. What else is inside this box then? It's a big box for just that, so what else is in here? All right, okay. Comes with a carry case and some more things down here. We've got a quick start guide, more information. But it comes with a carrying case, and I think by the weight, there's something in that carrying case. So we're going to throw the box to the side on my bed, and we're going to try and open this all one-handed, because that is the professional YouTuber I am. Just doing this in my room. Right, what's in here? There's a wire. So another charging wire then. Okay, fine, I guess. Oh, I suppose that makes sense, because if you're taking it with you, you're not going to take the stand. The stand stays one place, and you take this and you get a little carrying case around with you. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I rate that. That makes sense. And a USB-A receiver, I would assume. Oh, so it's like a little, right. Okay, that works twofold. You can use it as a charging one. And I assume you could plug the receiver in for it to make it work that way. Okay, that's cool. That is cool. All right then, let's try and see what the fit's like. Damn, doing all this one-handed really is difficult. But we're going to continue anyway. So let's try and get this on my head with my thing on. Okay, it's over the ear. All right, this is the look. It is adjustable, so you can hear that clicking. You can see it adjusting on my head. Right, so that's not quite down. Okay, right. Very short, so I can't see it. So I know it's going to be interesting to see what the sound quality is like for everyone else. Now, from hearing my colleague at work, he seemed to sound exactly like he did normally when he was using other headphones. So I'm going to assume the sound quality is quite good based on that. But yeah, so it fits all right. It feels comfortable. It's cool. Maybe we'll use this for like YouTube as well. No, because of this, I can't go back to this. Hell no. We're a professional gaming YouTuber. We got a microphone, standalone. So I felt some buttons on there, so I think this little red button here, you can just about see it, maybe a power button. In fact, I'm pretty certain it is, or maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. We've got that button. Got a button on the side here. So there's a button there. There is this little flicking toggle kind of button as well underneath. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. That's not too bad. Okay. Yeah, so it's a cool little headphone. We'll get it plugged in and I'm sure I'll test it and see what it sounds like. So guys, I've moved into the hallway to say the outro because in my room some sort of beeping noise that's driving me crazy, so I've come out here. Anyway, I want to apologise for the impromptuness of this video in terms of both its production and sound quality. It wasn't planned and it was a good time for me to do it. I'm going to be busy all week streaming Kingdom Come Deliverance and of course as well relaxing, meeting up with a few friends, talk to them. So that's what I've been doing the past week. And if you haven't been checking out Kingdom Come Deliverance 2, please do check that out on Simpson Plays. The live streams are more or less every single day. And we have just been absolutely killing it. Literally. Glorious bloodshed. But anyway, regards to this, it seems pretty good. The sound quality seems to be all right in what I've tested in between the segments. So yeah, hopefully it's going to make my life easier and work more productive because that's what it's all about. It is a product from work. So kudos to them. Thanks for this. And I'm going to love you and leave you here. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing despite its quality. And yeah, until next time guys, I love you and leave you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Hit that bell notification to get everything here on the channel. And of course, check out all the full links down in the description for all my dedicated social medias alongside Simpson Plays and simpsonplays.com. Until next time, for more unboxings, peace.